What?
Died.
The Minecraft stone spikes.
I'm reloading.
Can we blow them up? Bro, C4 time.
Holy shit.
You tell me, let's save, guys, and I thought you fucking save.
Just kidding.
Oh,
Holy, I've played Rally. Holy. Dude, why is that? That's just dragged in the air.
what doesn't work?
All items.
My fucking inventory is clean! Oh, fuck you fucking liar. This fucking liar. This fucking liar. All of my whole... We're reloading the game.
Wait, what? Wait,
What do you mean it doesn't work, Jed? Press tab, Jed. Tell me what do you have? What do you have? What do you have, Jed? What is left of you? You're a shell of your former self. Look at me with those eyes. You fucking liar.
Check out my driving skills, bro.
Yeah, cause somehow you and I just like, what is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? What type of fucking golf cart is this?
I have off-road 4x4 experience. I've been... Oh shit. It's like... Okay. I'm gonna push it from here. Never mind. Die.
Holy shit, right in the dick. Look, right in the dick.
See, I got exceptional... She's
Bro,
dead.
TS guy died like a warrior. Just something.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm right here. That's a grenade. like, I see you pull a pin on something and fucking throw it. I'm like, that's a grenade.